If I told you that right now paying to generate AI videos is literally like throwing your money out the window, would you keep doing it anyway? Because there are online platforms that, if you set them up the right way, let you generate AI videos for free with no time limit whatsoever. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to use these tools, step by step, holding nothing back. So if you don't want to miss out on this, subscribe and drop a thumbs up. It really helps me keep making this kind of content. Let's start with the first tool. This platform just launched several new AI models, and its text generator, as well as its video generator, are already among the 11 most powerful models currently available on the market, and all of that while staying completely free. I'm talking about Qwen. Head over to the official Qwen website. The video generator is slightly hidden in the interface, but it's very easy to activate once you know where to look. I always recommend selecting the most recent model available to get the best possible results. Now, here's what most people get wrong. They land on the platform, type a prompt into the video section, choose a format, hit send, and a few seconds later, they get a video that might look fine at first glance, but often contains errors, visual inconsistencies, or elements you never asked for at all. After testing this approach extensively, I realized this clearly isn't the best method to get the most out of this platform. So, what's the right method? To create truly excellent videos, we're going to take advantage of the fact that Claude also has one of the best text models currently available. And for that, we're going to use a video creation skill that I'll link in the description. This skill will let us generate ultra-precise prompts and everything we need to produce our video with perfect visual consistency. Here's how it actually works. I give Claude a simple prompt, telling it I want to make a short 2-minute video about a current news topic. Once I send that, Claude automatically goes off and researches to identify what's trending right now, what's making headlines at this exact moment. Then it offers me several options. Before generating anything at all, the skill asks you a few questions to better understand what you're looking for. It offers you a director mode in particular, which I strongly recommend choosing. This mode lets you customize the topics, the visual styles, and all the settings for your video. If the suggestions don't match what you want, you can specify exactly what you're looking for. I pick from the suggested options, and Claude gets straight to work. Within moments, Claude finishes its analysis and delivers absolutely everything we need. It generates all the visual setup elements, the settings, and a complete storyboard with 15 detailed scenes, from shot number 1 all the way to shot number 15, with a precise image prompt and a matching video prompt for each scene. Now that we have all these elements, here's how to proceed on Qwen. I copy the image prompt for the first shot, go back to Qwen, click the plus button, and select the image creation option. I paste the prompt, choose the 16:9 format, and start the generation. If the first result doesn't fully satisfy you, don't worry. Just click Regenerate to get a new version. Once you're happy with your image, click the Create Video button. Your image automatically gets pinned in the description. You then go back to Claude to copy the matching video animation prompt, paste it into Qwen, and start the generation. The result is genuinely impressive for a completely free tool. Now, here's the mistake almost every creator makes at this exact stage. They download the video by simply clicking the download button and stop there. That's a huge mistake, because in reality, within that same prompt, you can also specify the background music and sound effects you want built directly into your video. Just add those details to the end of your prompt before generating, and Qwen automatically incorporates them. The difference between a video without these instructions and one with them is absolutely night and day. The sound impact is far more powerful, and the overall experience feels much more professional. And keep in mind that Qwen also works really well for maintaining consistency with real characters, or for adapting to video formats and trends that perform well on social media. You can even create vertical videos in 9:16 format, perfect for TikTok, Reels, or Shorts. The platform stays completely free. The only possible constraint is that during high traffic periods, you might hit a small temporary limit and have to wait a few hours. But the key point is that it stays at zero cost. Now, if you're after even higher quality results, I have a second platform for you. It gives you free access to the Cydance 2.0 model, and it's called Dola. Just type Dola Reel into Google and click the first result. Once you're on the platform, you start with image creation. Copy your image prompt and paste it into Dola. You can choose reference images, set the 16:9 format, pick from several available art styles, and even use ready-made templates. Click send, and Dola generates your images with genuinely satisfying quality. To move on to video, add your generated image as a reference, switch to video creation mode, add the matching animation prompt, select the Cydance 2.0 fast model, set the duration to 10 seconds with a 16:9 ratio, and generate. The quality this model produces is honestly remarkable. Each generation costs 2 points, and you get 4 points per day, which gives you 2 generations daily. If you run out of credits, you can either create a second account or simply wait until the next day for your credits to reset. The third tool is completely free, and above all, unlimited. It's called Vibes. Type it into Google and click the first link. Once you're on the interface, create a new project. You'll have access to 3 features: video generation, image generation, and lip sync. Just be careful though. Vibes currently only generates vertical images, and they come with watermarks. So the smart move is to generate your images elsewhere and then import them here. Then switch to video generation mode, turn on the start frame and end frame option, upload your horizontal reference image. It will automatically keep its original format. Add your animation prompt, choose 720p resolution, and generate. Vibes generates 4 videos at once, with no credit counter at all. If a generation fails, just click Regenerate. To download without a watermark, don't download directly from the interface. Click the 3 dots, copy the link, open it in a new tab, and download from there. If you skip this step, your final video will have a clearly visible watermark. So there you have it, 3 complete tools with sound effects, syncing, and built-in music, all completely free and available right now. If this video brought you value, let me know in the comments. If you want a part 2 where I show you how to create much longer videos using these same tools, write it in the comments, and I'll get that next video ready for you very quickly.